Hi there, this is Fixed It. These are my Polyco Granite 5 Beta leather gloves that I got, which are just the best gloves I've ever come across. They're stab and knife and cut proof, as well as being exceedingly comfortable, and you've got a lot of dexterity with them as well. But I'll show you how good they are. Let me put my second glove on first. Okay, here we have them. Blackberry bushes with lots of spikes. The bane of every gardener's hands. Handling them normally slashes your fingers, but I feel nothing. Absolutely nothing. No spikes going through. The only thing I have to watch out for is my forearms. Let's break them off. Drop them inside. Absolutely nothing has come through the gloves. You'll see a couple of bits stuck in them. And there you can see some spikes. Nothing has gone through to the inside. They're absolutely fantastic. I'll put a link in the video description to where you can buy these great gloves. This one just nearly got me. I can feel it hasn't gone through. Seriously, they're the best gardening and work gloves you can possibly get, and they're a damn sight cheaper than a lot of the other fancy ones, but they're absolutely brilliant. Hope you like the video. Get a pair of these gloves if you value your hands. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.